First thing in making tuna is you gotta catch a tuna fish. How about this, folks? I'm gonna show you how to make the world famous Walton tuna. Everybody loves it except my wife. My dog likes it. I like it too. So let's get on it. I like using the famous Bumblebee brand. And hopefully this is tuna and not porpoises. So, you gotta open the can. That's the first step. And don't cut yourself on the lid. I prefer to drain out the liquid in the tuna. Who knows what that stuff is? Probably the very waters that tuna swam in. Then the tuna goes into a bowl. Gotta get the tuna in the bowl. And then the can, I give that to the dog. Now the main ingredient, mayonnaise. Dump a bunch of that in there. That's good stuff. Add some sweet relish. I learned this from the famous Karen's Kitchen in Newton, Kansas. She would add this and put in a nice flavor. This is my secret ingredient. Olives. I cut them up, I put them in. Cut them in half. Cut the halves in halves, drop them on in. In case you missed it, do it again. Cut them in half. Cut them in half again, drop them on in. I also add a little bit of onion to the mix. Most of you are going, man, this is the worst tuna fish I've ever seen. But tasting is believing. I gotta dice these up pretty good. Don't want huge hunks of onion in there. Just a slight taste of it. Put that stuff into the mix. Alright, now I'm going to show you something. This is distilled white vinegar. Most people don't use this at all, but it's a secret ingredient. Vinegar does a lot of stuff. It's a miracle kind of liquid. It'll clean your windows, clean your counters, and it's great in tuna fish. Now it's time to stir the mass up, break the tuna down into bite-sized pieces. Bread ready. I like to butter my bread before I spread this wonderful, wonderful tuna salad on it. And I like to put lettuce, nice bunches of lettuce on that bread. And the world is good. There it is, the finished product. Next, get the bread. Probably not everybody wants to put butter on their tuna fish, but this is what makes the Waltini tuna sandwich the best ever. There we go. Buttered bread. I guess you could toast this too, that would be good too. Now it's time to add the magic mix. Put it on there. Spread it out a little bit so the bread is covered. I'm sure everybody's had sometime in their life a tuna fish sandwich. And if not, you need to. Funny thing is, I don't like fish. But I do like tuna fish. Alright, so there you got that. And a tuna fish sandwich ain't really a tuna fish sandwich. I should put on nice leaves of lettuce. That's what really makes it pop. Plus the color looks good too, don't you think? Put this back on here. bring over a plate. Stick your sandwich on a plate. Oh, one other thing. Add some Pringles. A perfect lunch, a tuna fish sandwich. And what really makes this good is homemade coleslaw. Karen made this the other day. I think this stuff is really good. Throw that in there. Looks pretty nice, doesn't it? And there you have it. Tuna, Pringles, coleslaw. What a lunch.
If you like your tuna,
Say it
I'm
again.
going to sit way over here while you eat it.
Would you ever eat a tuna fish sandwich that I made?
No, I'd eat one that I made, but
What would you do that would be different?
no vinegar, no green olives.
Would you use black olives?
No.
Okay.
Mine's plain and simple.
You just can't satisfy everyone.
This is true, and well we know.
But it's delicious. Believe me, it's delicious. Try it out.